Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Thirsty Thursday. Last night, Robin and I had some fun with build your own meat lovers pizza tacos. Let me just spell something. There was more than just meat. There was mushrooms and onions and olives and green onions and various other things other than the meat. These were fun. Yeah. I will definitely post up this recipe and make it your own. Today, there is no actual cooking. Both dishes that I'm doing for tonight's dinner are both cold. The first, I'm going to slaughter the Spanish. Cóctel de Camarones, aka in English, Mexican shrimp cocktail. I was attracted to this recipe because it's very different from what we know as American shrimp cocktail. And I wanted something simple. The other, because of one of the ingredients in the Mexican shrimp cocktail, I will also be preparing Asian cucumbers. Yeah, I don't like things going to waste in my kitchen. So let's get to it. As you can see, there's no hardware. So for the Mexican shrimp cocktail, of course, we have basically a pound of pre-cooked shrimp, red onion, clamato, tomato juice, some Heinz tomato ketchup. This is a very sad representation of cilantro because I'll be picking up cilantro, some avocado, and some jalapenos today. I just have had a really bad time with keeping cilantro basically alive for a day or more. In this, there's also going to be kosher salt, some black pepper, some lime juice, and cucumber. Of course, I always use British cucumber or English cucumber. And this English cucumber will come over here, and we'll be serving this shrimp cocktail with some corn chips. So for the Asian cucumbers, of course, there's the English cucumber, and then there's sesame seed, Thai chili powder, rice vinegar, sesame oil, hot chili oil, just a little bit of granulated sugar, and garlic. So these are the nummies. This is one of our favorite things to do. So that's what I have on plan for Thursday, for today. I've been awake for several hours, and I'm just a little punch drunk, I have to admit. So on this day, this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.